So, Kaymac are doing to our lock gates. One or two leaks on the cofferdam. Yeah. I wonder if they're going to move the mound of silt as well. Certainly would not want to be trying to come in or out today. Not that we can, because the gates are shut and sealed. So this is definitely Humber Chop. That's Janet with her head in the hatch.
They're still clean.
It's clean.
Yeah, look. There's a tiny bit, look. You see?
No, that.
The Bond franchise, its second consecutive Academy Award, with this track beating Lady Gaga and The Weeknd in the process. Apparently written in less than 30 minutes by Sam and his songwriting partner Jimmy Napes, the song was the main theme to Spectre, the 24th and most recent.
Don't taste salty. So a couple of weeks have gone by, and now it's back to working on the deck repairs. This was the piece that we've been working on, this section. Just lift it back out again. Just plopped in, it just wants a bit of refitting. We've epoxied the back and the edges. I'm just got a bit of run over, but that'll clean off. It just needs letting in a bit more, but we have a bigger problem. Or a bit more of an issue. What we're going to have to do is take out a bit more there, unfortunately. This product that was put down, and one of the commenters that we had on a previous video said it was entirely the wrong product, and it was, but it was put down 30 years ago, so not a lot I can do about it. We're just working around it. Probably one day we're going to have to lift the whole lot and replace it, but for now we'll just do this. It's just the edges, so if we can put sacrificial edges on, that might be a way around. The bigger issue is around at the far end. But it's an area that's not used. I don't know. If I just move the camera a bit, we can see from the doorway. It's absolutely pelting it down. We're getting water in there, so all of that's got to be resealed in any case. don't know what I would do without one of these. These are fantastic. And Ryobi haven't sent me this. I bought this. If you're listening, Mr. Ryobi. Go. That's the holes prepared. That's the thickened epoxy done, about peanut butter consistency. So that's ready just to go in and fill these holes, and I did find a hole I hadn't filled earlier. So. That's it, that'll do. That'll smooth off. You can't sand this stuff, but the oscillating tools just knock the edges off nicely. So that will now have to wait so I can get this covered up. And we have the deep, and it's very low tide, and the tide is still going out.